I have bought a brand new mobile Itel s23. I will review and unbox it. Friends, welcome to my channel. If you are interested in my video, then subscribe to me. Let's start.
Now we carefully open this parcel. Its box is red in color, which is quite nice. Let's open it now. Hrithik Roshan is the brand ambassador of this smartphone. Inside the box, we find some instruction manuals. This is a back cover of this mobile, which is very strong from the edges. Along with this, a 10 watts fast charger is available, which comes with C-type cable. Disclaimer: this is not any sponsorship. I will give you correct information about this mobile. You should subscribe to my channel. This is mystery white, which looks very beautiful. In low budget, we get the facility of color changing in it. Talking about its weight is 195 grams, which I liked a lot. Its body is very slim and long, which looks quite sexy when held in the hand. Its operating system is Android 12.0 and the name of the processor is Unisoc. Its speed is 1.6 GHz. This device is 4G. I have another Itel s23 Black. Only color difference is there in both of them. Rest the features are same. It has a double real camera, which is 50 megapixels, and the front camera is 8 megapixel, which comes with flash. The feature of front flash is very great. It provides us a lot of convenience while talking on video call.
Currently, the live video that you are watching is being taken from this mobile Itel s23. And this is its front camera. How did you like it?
This is some video footage taken from the Itel s23. Guys, the sad thing is that you cannot shoot video in 4K on this mobile, but I liked the mic of this mobile very much. Talking about the display, its LCD screen is 6.6 inch long. The resolution is 1612 into 720 pixels. In this mobile, you will get the facility of side fingerprint. In this you will get 5000 mAh battery, which is quite perfect. Guys, if you talk about its price, then in the month of September 2023, you will get in USA for $104, and in India, its price is Rs 8699 on Amazon. Guys, according to me, this is a very perfect mobile for under Rs 9000 if you don't want video quality in 4K. I hope you liked the video. If you like, then please like and subscribe. Till then, bye.